Hey guys, this is Prerna and welcome back to my channel Beauty Desires. This is Prerna. Okay, I'm here to share a new video with you guys. This is a very useful video for all of you people out there, and I know all of you, most of all the people are suffering with the severe hair fall. So today I will be, sharing a video so that you can stop that hair fall and you can gain that regrowth on your hair. So let's get started. Let's watch the video till the end. And this is Rina, and today I'm here with a new video, and this new video will be all about new hair growth or how to stop hair fall. For this you will be needing 4 of the hair oil. First hair oil is this parachute coconut hair oil, and the second hair oil you will be needing is this almond hair oil, and this third hair oil you will be needing is this avla hair oil, and the fourth oil you will be needing is olive oil. Yes guys, you will be needing for all the 4 oils for this and for this DIY. So let's get started, and yes, stay tuned to the video. DIY, you will be needing one empty bowl. As you can see, I have this empty bowl, and for this actually I will be pouring all the oils in it and making a mixture of all the oils. So firstly I will be taking this almond oil because this is my favorite hair oil for the hair growth. So actually this is very much rich in vitamin E, and vitamin E is very much good for your hair growth. So I will be taking 1 tablespoon of this oil. As you can see, one full tablespoon I am taking this hair oil and just pouring it into this bowl. And then secondly I am gonna take this coconut hair oil, as you can see, and again I am gonna take 1 of the tablespoon and just pouring it into this bowl. And then the turn is to take this olive oil. As you all know, olive oil is very much good for your hair growth and to make your hair thicker. So just I'm gonna take this hair oil also. Here I'm just gonna take 1.5 tablespoon of this oil because it will provide very good nutrients for my hair. And then I'm gonna take this avla hair oil also because it will be making your hair black. So here I'm taking it half of the tablespoon only. As you can see, I have taken only the half tablespoon and pouring it into my bowl, and then just mix all the oil that you have taken in it. So I'm done with this. I'm done with this mixture. As you can see, I have poured all the oils in this bowl. Now this mixture is ready. Okay, if you want to heat this oil, you can heat for 10 seconds in the microwave oven so that it will provide some good conditioning to your hair. So yes, so I have heated it for 10 seconds in the microwave oven. Now it is good to apply onto your hair. So here what you're gonna do is take this cotton, this type of cotton, and then just dip into this oil solution that you have just made. Squeeze the extra hair oil in it, and then just you will have to make partitions of your hair like this. I will be making the partitions of the hair. Take the comb that you have been using for all the oils, and then just you have to apply hair oil vigorously like so. Use the cotton and make partitions and then just gently apply this oil onto your hair. Overall, wherever you need hair oil, I mean to the whole scalp you will be needing hair oil. So then just continue with the partitions. Half a set partitions you will be doing, not proper partitions you will be needing for this. So then just apply this mixture overall at the back of your hair, at the back of your head also apply this. And then just squeeze the cotton like this, dip the extra oil that is in the cotton, and just take your fingers, use your fingers and dip your fingers into this and use both of your hands and then massage your head like this. First of all, start massaging in the circular motions like this. Take your time as it is the mode of relaxation. Do it in the circular motion like this. First step is this. All over your head you will be doing this. Then again dip your hands into the bowl and take some extra oil, then do in the zigzag motions. It can be looking weird, but you have to do it for your hair growth. Then just take all your oil in the palms and rub your palms like this, and then just do like this. And then just run your fingers over your hair and take all the growth of your hair and massage your hair also like this. Massaging your hair will make your hair grow faster. Roll up your hair and then just again take the oil and apply it onto your tips of the hair, and then just roll it like this. Grab all your hair and then just roll it like this. Massaging will improve your blood circulation, so it is a must for your hair growth. Guys, you are done with your hair oiling. As you are gonna make a bun out there, or you can make a sleek ponytail and just sleep overnight and wash it with a mild shampoo next day morning, so you will be getting thicker and shinier hair if you will repeat this process every week. I recommend this to repeat this process every week for getting thicker and thicker hair. So yes guys, wish all of your hair wishes come true. So signing off, see ya, bye.